Have you ever wondered why your hair is so frizzy and brushing it only makes it worse? Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I'm a certified essential oil specialist, and one of the things that I've learned on my journey into natural health is about my hair. Make sure that you stick around to the end because I have something fabulous to give to you, and subscribe so you can learn more of these natural tips. So let's talk hair today. This is my natural hair. I remember growing up having hair that was frizzy, and then when I would brush it, you know, other people, they would brush their hair and it would look so sleek and smooth, but when I brushed my hair, I ended up looking like a mangy lion.
Oh, no.
So as you can see from when I'm brushing, it's not making it smooth, it's not making it sleek, it is just making it more and more frizzy. So I thought there was something wrong with me. I didn't know what was going on. It was not until my 30s that somebody said something to me about my wavy hair. And then somebody else said something because I'd gotten out of the shower and I was walking through, and they're like, "Man, your wavy hair is wasted on you because you do nothing with it."
What?
And it was like this light bulb moment. I never knew I had wavy hair. I just thought I had frizzy hair. So I went on a journey to figure it out. So here are some of the things that I learned that maybe will help you, because it can be overwhelming. When I even typed in curly hair girl journey or wavy hair journey, there are so many videos and it's so helpful, but it can be simply overwhelming. And I will be honest with you, I do not want a 10-step routine. I do not want to spend hours doing my hair. I know some people that have wavy hair and their hair routine on wash day takes them literally hours. I know I'm not going to do that and be consistent. So here is my abbreviated thing that I do. First of all, you have to be very careful about what you put on your hair. Our hair typically tends to be more dry. That's why it's frizzy like this. Never knew that. Therefore, we need to be deep conditioning and we need to be using lots of conditioner when we do wash. The other thing that I learned is you should not be washing your hair every day. I did not know this. I wash my hair every single day, which was stripping the natural oils. Now I go 7 to 10 days without washing my hair. Sometimes if I'm feeling a little whatever, I will just condition it in between it, but I never shampoo more than once a week. Another thing that I learned on this journey are anything that's going to be causing friction is only going to exacerbate the frizz in your hair. Therefore, when I dried my hair, I would flip my hair over, I would take my towel, and I would go like this. All I'm doing is making a bigger mess of my hair. So I do not do that anymore. I do something called plopping. I get out of the shower with my hair soaking wet after using a shampoo that doesn't have alcohols in it. It has really moisturizing ingredients. I use doTERRA shampoo and conditioner. Works very, very well for my hair. Natural ingredients, clean ingredients when it comes to your hair. I also come out of the shower. If I'm feeling festive, I put some mousse in my hair, but sometimes I don't even do that. And then I flip my head over while it's soaking wet, and I literally put it in this thing. Obviously I'm doing it quick so I don't bore you guys. So you just gotta get all your hair in here. And then I twist it up. Again, I obviously do a better job. And I just keep it there for at least 30 minutes. So it's drying up in there and the moisture is seeping into my hair. So that's now how I dry my hair. The other thing I do is I switch to a satin pillow sheet, because the friction from just a traditional pillowcase is actually causing even more frizz. So as you can see, none of these things are earth-shattering. It is just learning and figuring out your hair. I am going to share some pictures. Here is when I diffuse my hair and I actually do the mousse and all of that. This is what my hair looks like. But again, if you want a simplified version, I'm going to show you how I actually fix this. All I do on a daily basis, if my hair is a frizzy or it's flat, in this glass spray bottle, I literally just took some of my doTERRA conditioner and I put it in here with water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely saturate my hair, like way more than you even think that you're going to need. What I'm doing is I'm putting moisture back in my hair. If your hair is frizzy like this, what it's crying out for is moisture, actually. I didn't know that. Maybe you guys all know that and I'm just the only one in the world who didn't know that. But it's crying out for moisture. So I'm literally putting moisture back in my hair with some water and some conditioner. And then I just kind of squish it up like this. And then again, if I'm feeling festive, I use some mousse on my hair. I use this one right here. Then I just look in the mirror, see where it's still looking a little frizzy and dry, and I just add more. And as you can see, it didn't take long to go from that frizzy to this. And this is what shows me I do have wavy hair. So I need to treat it differently. I don't have straight hair. I remember when I was a little girl in elementary school, I was one of 2 girls that had really long hair. Other girl in my class had long blonde hair. It was so sleek, it was so shiny, it was so beautiful. And I remember one day a girl said, "Why don't you brush your hair?" And I said, "I do brush my hair." And she was like, "Yeah, but yours doesn't look nice like hers." If I could be a little girl and go back, it stuck with me. This was in elementary school. I would say, because I don't have hair like hers, and that's okay. And I'm really sad that it took me into my 30s to figure out something that a lot of people know, which is your hair type. But if you also seem to be feeling behind, it's okay. Figure it out. So I'll just let it dry like this. It's not completely soaked. I could even go out in public like this now. Wouldn't bother me at all. But this is kind of my quick routine to help my hair to go from frizzy to fabulous. As promised, in the description, I'm gonna share some more of my natural beauty tips, some diffuser recipes, a lot of good stuff for busy moms too that just want some quick and easy things to kind of update your routine or redo things in your home or just to have more non-toxic products in your house. I'm gonna put that in the description. I'm also gonna pin it in the comments. Thank you for joining. Share this video if it was helpful. Like and subscribe so that we can continue to grow and learn together. Thank you.